Alright, what is going on? Welcome to tonight. This is actually going to be a couple day vlog. But anyways, first up is I figured out what I'm doing with my BMW. Now, the plan was to get this motor that I was going to build for Boost. But that ain't happening now. We were going to swap that in with the head, redo the gasket, reseal it, pretty much do a semi-rebuild on it, depending on how it looked. Well, we have our answer now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the block that I currently have right now because it's probably not bad.
It's better than this one.
Yeah, well, it's been running. It's not gonna be
better than this one.
Yeah. You guys may have just seen it in the beginning. I'm gonna show you a little more up close of what it looks like, but it's bad. Anyways, we're gonna swap over the motor or the head to my motor. Oh my God. I really hope that got on camera. I'm going to show you guys real quick before I continue talking. Oh, yeah, look at that.
I can't even turn it over. This thing's going to need new piston rings. This thing's going to need everything.
Yeah, this
whole block needs to be stripped down.
This needs a full rebuild.
Like machine shop full rebuild.
Yeah.
The water jackets are good, but that's not.
Yeah, no, that's...
It literally... So it was overheated, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It had blown head gasket and it sat with coolant in it for God knows how long. That's how that developed.
Oh, alright. So yeah, new plan, just to get the car back up and running. We're going to put that head on the block I currently have inside the car, because chances are we're still going to pull it out. We're going to look at it, see what's going on with it. But chances are that I bent a valve in the current motor, and that's why it has a huge loss of compression in those two cylinders, is because, yeah, they're not moving. They're not doing anything. We're going to try and get the motor to turn over real quick to see if it will. So, got it all pulled out. So we're going to get out of here, but before I do, let me see if I can zoom in on this. So if you guys can see it, I don't know if it's like fully in focus.
The main issue is the main cap is the actual location of the knock. It's caused that to actually start to wear out faster than the other ones.
So all the other ones are pretty smooth.
The motor knocked recently.
Yeah, it was literally, it was knocking. They pulled it and then told my buddy it was a good motor.
Mm-hmm. And then I took the oil pump off, and the nut was still on there, so they didn't lose oil pressure. Something else happened.
Yes, something else did happen. So with that, I will show you guys the rest of the video in like 3 seconds, but for me it's going to be like a couple days. But this head is going to be sent to machine shop, get done, get decked, all that. We got a gasket, we got a couple other parts on the way. We're going to pull my motor out of my BMW when I can get the car here Friday. And yeah, so you guys will see all that right. And I'm home. So I'm not actually continuing this video at the shop. I was gonna do this like whole video all in one piece, but I'm not a big fan of like really super long videos depending on the content. So I'm trying to keep my vlogs kind of like a little bit different and just kind of like keep each section, you know, its own piece of content, not like 3 pieces of content in one. So with that being said, Dawood is gonna come by, pick up the car, trailer, tow it all the way to the shop, and then we're gonna start doing stuff to the motor. Hopefully all the parts came in today. It's Friday right now. Hopefully everything is at the shop ready to go. The head's back from the machine shop and we can bust this out this weekend. That's kind of my goal. It all depends on what David did this week to the motor and what else we had going or he had going on. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video here. The next video will be us tearing apart this motor and doing all that. But before I go, I kind of want to let you guys know that this will be the last video for the turbo build M50. It's obviously not going to be turboed. Obviously we're not going to do a boosted build on the M50, which is kind of a bummer, but it's leaving me any ideas for other swaps in the near future for more power. Not sure yet. Thinking maybe like a S swap or something. But at the same time, that's a lot of money for a build, and it's actually cheaper to swap in like a cast iron LS or something. So Don't know. So with that, I'm gonna bounce out of here. I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you all have a good day. Okay, bye.